Hello, internet.
Hiya, how's it going?
Are you asking me or the internet?
I don't care about you, so I'm asking you.
I assume they're fine because they're watching the Slow Mo Guys video
Big time.
on the internet.
Well, today we've got a car airbag, haven't we?
I was always amazed that when an airbag goes off in a car, in the steering wheel, I thought, how does the airbag not hit the driver in the face?
When it like a big smack.
How does it just deploy in his face? And it turns out airbags deploy so immensely fast that usually they're fully out and inflated before the driver has even moved from the impact. So let's see how fast that really is by filming it at 2,500 frames a second in HD with a Phantom Flex.
Got batteries here, going to connect them up, and hopefully that will work. But I'm a bit scared about this one, to be honest.
All right, Dan. Wear this for safety. You don't. I'm a bit scared. All right, go for it. Huh? Go for it. Bloody hell!
Me.
That was fast.
Oh my god.
Bloody heck!
Did you see me jump?
No.
Myself. Oh,
Whoa!
that's fast.
That is so fast.
Look at it flapping about. That's straight in your face.
Now you notice the airbags never just explode because they're actually vented at the back. See this here? The explosion just puts air into a bag that is not even sealed. So the air can leak out without the bag just exploding from the pressure.
Did not know that.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. It's
Also
awesome.
very hot.
Yeah, I felt that afterwards. I've touched it and it was actually really warm.
Alright, so we have a second airbag.
Yep.
That first one went off, but you can't really see
quick.
any sort of scale of speed, so we're going to try and drop something next to this one, right?
Yeah, so
Just to
time
give
it
it a
right, so we drop something as this one goes off.
See, you're using a standard procedure kitchen knife.
This wouldn't be slow-mo, guys, if we didn't have the completely incorrect equipment to use that.
Ready?
Yeah?
Yeah. Woo! Where'd it go?
Me, over there! On the tree! Jesus Christ! Holy crap! Oh my god!
Good lord.
Literally, that all happened so quickly. I blinked, the airbag was over there, and the glass was about 30
I'm always
meters
so
over there.
confused as to where everything is at.
After slow-mo, guys, you was like, doof, what happened?
This was much bigger than the other one.
It had a lot more volume to it, didn't it?
Yeah, it was like a...
I guess you're further away from
It
that
looked
than you are from the steering
softer,
wheel.
but it's the same fabric as the other one.
So yeah, that shot off here, and as I dropped the water bottle, the glass of water, hit the table and shot off. Look how far it went. Really quickly as well. And bearing in mind, it didn't get shot up in the air, it just got shot along the floor. It's like hit the floor sometimes. I'd say this is about 25 meters maybe?
What's that in feet?
Oh, 50, like, I don't know.
That is amazing, we're miles away. And the glass survived.
Yeah.
Available in the Rooster Teeth store.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please follow us on Twitter. And
Do all those things.
Yeah, and be careful if you crash your car.
I'm going to go and dispose of the airbag now.
Be careful of the poison,
Yeah.
This video was sponsored by Audible.com. They have over 150,000 audiobooks. Go to audible.com/slowmo for a free book. I recommend Philip Pullman's The Amber Spyglass. It's from his Dark Materials trilogy. It's a really good book. It's about this thick, so I'm proud of being able to read it. So if you go to audible.com, you can listen to it much easier.